Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topics are dialogues and essays. Student, our first dialogue which I will discuss in this lesson is between mother and daughter about studies, while second is between customer and shopkeeper on high prices of goods. And about essays, फर्स्ट वन इज़ हाउ टू डिस्करेज अनफेयर मीन्स इन एग्ज़ाम्स, इम्तहानात में गैर मुनसिफाना ज़राई की कैसे दिलशकनी की जाए। एंड सेकेंड, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, तकनीकी तालीम की अहमियत। So let's start our first topic, which is dialogue. Dialogue between a mother and daughter about studies. Daughter: good afternoon mom. Mother: good afternoon, how was your day? Daughter: it was boring mom, we had a surprise test of physics in class. Mother: then what, you did well, didn't you? Daughter: no mom, I could not learn the lessons we do in our class. I thought of revising them all near midterm exam. Well, that was a silly idea. Daughter: no mom, many students do the same. I cannot get regular time to learn my daily lessons. Mother: how much time is required? Just give an hour daily. Just go through what you learn daily. Daughter: oh mom, it's so boring. I have to learn swimming, go jogging, watch my favorite TV serial, etc. I haven't any time to study at home. Mother: that's unfair. If you ignore the importance of daily learning, the concepts remain fresh in your mind if you revise them at home. Daughter: then I must learn them all again near exam. Mother: that's a plus point. You will have another opportunity to clarify and revive your concepts. It will get you more marks in exams. Daughter: I do wish to get good marks in my final exams. Second dialogue between shopkeeper and customer on high prices of goods. Customer: please give me 10 kg sugar, 2 kg salt, 1 kg beans and 2 liter oil. Shopkeeper: sure sir, here is your order. Customer: where is the bill? Shopkeeper: here is your bill sir. Customer: oh my god, so much money, have you overcharged to me? Shopkeeper: no sir, not at all, we do not overcharge a penny. Means paisa. Customer: I bought the same things last month and the bill was 100 rupees less than this bill. Shopkeeper: the prices of everything has risen. Bulan hona sir, sugar has got 5 rupees high per kilogram, so is the matter of cooking oil. Customer: so why have you not displayed a notice board about new price? Shopkeeper: we will do it today sir. Customer: oh, that is incredible. Why price have risen suddenly so high? Shopkeeper: it is due to rise in the price of fuel and transportation charges. Customer: oh, I see. This is totally unfair. How would a poor man manage to get every day of life? Shopkeeper: we have already charged very nominal price to you sir. Let me give you 20 rupees discount. Customer: thank you sir. Shopkeeper: you are welcome and thank you for shopping here. Students, this is our next topic in this lesson. The third topic, importance of technical education, तकनीकी तालीम की अहमियत. Technical education is a branch of a vocational education. Vocational means पेशा वराना. It plays an important role in the progress, खुशहाली, तरक्की. In the progress means तरक्की. It plays an important role in the progress mean तरक्की. It plays an important role in the progress of a man, society, a nation and a country. Technical education aims at providing us knowledge and training in various तरबियत in various skills, कई महारतों में, which have a practical utility for us. It helps us in earning our livelihood. Technical education plays very important role in the life of the modern man. American, Britain, France, Germany, Japan and China are rich, अमीर, prosperous, खुशहाल and advanced countries only because of their progress in technical education. Technical education produces engineers, doctors, architects, mechanics and experts in various skills. They are very useful in an industrial society. Sanati Muashara, it produces skilled workers who work for the prosperity of the society. Through technical education, we can increase the material resources of our country. It promotes material prosperity. It develops our economy. It has a great educational value. With its help, people have begun to have faith in the dignity of labor. मज़दूर की अज़मत, वी कैन अर्न यानी कि जो हाथ से काम करते हैं, हाथ से काम करने वालों की अज़मत. We can earn a lot of foreign exchange if we have our own technical experts. Technical education plays an important role in making a country rich, prosperous and strong. But too much technical education converts a man into a machine. Converts तब्दील कर देना. A man's specialized knowledge makes him unfit for other jobs. In order to make technical education useful, we should also get spiritual or moral education. रूहानी और इखलाकी तालीम. No education can be called complete in the absence of spiritual or moral education. Poverty, ghurbat in Pakistan is due to the lack of technical education. Our country is rich in raw material resources, but we cannot derive their benefits because we lack in technical education. We should therefore establish more and more technical institution idare throughout the country. We should also popularize the idea of the dignity of labor among our educated young men using the services of radio, television, newspaper and film industry. To conclude, all the progress of a country depends upon its progress in the field of technical education. Technical education plays an important role in the economic, maashi and industrial development of a country. To make our country and countrymen rich, prosperous and strong, we must have to establish more and more technical institution in country. Technical institution in country for imparting technical education and training and to our educated youth in various skills. Students, this is the fourth topic in this lesson, essay how to discourage unfair means in exams. Nowadays, आजकल adoption means अपनाना. Adoption of unfair means in the examination has become a serious problem in our system of education. In all examinations ranging from the university level down to the primary level, adopting unfair means has become a plague. This is one of the symptoms. Plague mean waba. This is one of the symptoms alamat of degenerating condition prevalent phelna in our society. To adopt unfair means in the examination is a very bad tendency. It proves the inability and insincerity of a student. It is shameful and immoral as well. Unfair means in the examination does not simply mean copying from books. It includes shamil hona any sort of malpractice in our outside the hall. In many cases, the question paper is leaked out in advance. Answer script is submitted from outside the hall. Many attempts to supply cut pages of books or handwriting notes inside the hall. Some examiners write their copies on the walls and benches beforehand. The causes of adopting unfair means. There are many causes of this crime, jurum. Of them, the main reasons are moral bankruptcy in the Department of Administration, दिवालिया होना, defective education system, political unrest and social restlessness in the country, student politics, सियासत in educational institution, carelessness, लापरवाही of some teachers in performing अदा करना their duties, इनके फ़राइज़ and responsibilities, जिम्मेदारियाँ to the students, ill planned syllabus and non-availability of necessary books, students' tendency of giving more importance to get an academic certificate than to acquire knowledge, the indifference of some guardians to their children, family conflicts, तनाज़े. Because of all these problems, the students get discouraged in their studies and ultimately choose the way to adopt unfair means in the examination. In order to solve these problems, United efforts of all classes of people are required. दरकार होना, all should come forward to take necessary measures in keeping up a wholesome atmosphere फ़िज़ा in the field of education. Student politics must be banned. The teachers should be sincerer in carrying out their class duty. The guardians, सरपरस्त, should be more conscious of their children's studies. The student should be made aware of the bad effects of adopting unfair means. Above all, the prevailing education system should be improved. In fine, it can be said that the adoption of unfair means in the examination is a great offense. It weakens not only the noble aim, muazzez maqsad, noble aim of education, but also the dignity of the nation. Today's students are the instructor, hidayat dene wale of tomorrow's nation. So, to conduct इंतज़ाम करना the nation effectively, the students must be educated and competent ahal, but without giving up the tendency of adopting unfair means, they will totally be failed in the task.